客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music from Sun Xiangyan Band with a song called Baka, which is actually in Japanese meaning fool. Now, it's the predicament of how we have this foolish existence of repeating the same day over and over again. Today mirroring yesterday, and tomorrow expected to be the same. But then when we reach midlife, we feel like a fool. It uses a lot of Eastern and Western musical instruments to carry this foolishness out. So let's take a listen to Baka.
Baka, baka, baka. Insane, insane, insane. Baka, baka, baka. Dosi, dosi, dosi. Baka, baka, baka. Insane, insane, insane. Maway baka, baka, baka. Sung song hi, tan ha đời. Sung song hi, tan ha đời. Sung song hi, tan ha đời. Sung song hi, tan ha đời.
Hey, 这首歌呢是由声响乐队所带来的 Baka， 歌名呢是以日文发音，意思呢是笨蛋，在描述什么呢？我们人啊，日复一日的生活，今天复制昨天，而明天呢再次复制今天，一直这样子走下去，到中年的时候呢，却碰到了墙壁了哦，所以感觉有点愚笨的人生状态。很巧妙的呢，用唢呐、还有电吉他、电风琴、木鱼等中西乐器呢，用正拍还有反拍来营造这种诙谐有趣的曲调。哎，听完了是不是感觉自己的人生跟这个歌词蛮像的？然后应该也更有动力来面对未来呢？好，我们继续来收听声响乐队所带来的这首《Baka》。
前进，Begitu L3 Tamfutu Jinjin.
Once again, this amusing song is called Baka or Fool, and it's by Sun Xiang Band. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.